Hello everyone. There is so many confusion going on according to all the student that is it really admit card released? Is it really exam date is also released regarding according to the subject wise exam date list is also released. So some PDF is also coming to us. So many students are sending that PDF. Yes, is it really true? So that's why we are going to discuss this topic. Is it really true? Where it is? Where the subject wise exam date is there or not? Where you can download the admit card. So that's why I'm going to that topic. And please subscribe to our channel Unify Study and click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification, because in this channel we are preparing for UGC NET computer science and paper 1 also. So you can see already for the computer science so many playlists are going on now. Rapid revision series is also going on, and for the paper 1 also so many playlists is there. Not only that, you are getting here PhD guidance also, that for the PhD guidance from the PhD interviewers, means those who already cracked that interview and other state exam. All the guidance you will get from here. And I am an Unacademy educator. Here also I am an expert of Unacademy. I am teaching computer science, UGC NET state exam, and there also you can follow me, because here also I am taking the free classes 7 p.m. every day. Free classes is going on, so definitely that will be beneficial for you. Now coming to the topic. The topic is that is it really admit card released? This is the UGC NET website. So you can see, is there anything to download? Can you see? Because normally in UGC NET website, they are showing here is a button whenever you are doing registration, whenever the admit card release, student enroll, anything they are providing you. So nothing is there. And it is the notice board. Whenever any news is coming, then always check the official website. The official website is ugcnet.nta.nic.in. Here the news and events are there, guys. Can you see any public notice? So this is the last public notice in 22nd October. In this public notice, it is only given that the date of the examination, that when it will going to start. This is going to start from 20th November till 5th December. But subject wise, any PDF not uploaded till now. No notification, nothing given till now. And according to the fake document, if you see the fake document, there is no signature, there is nothing. That is also you can verify. And as in UGC net website, there is no nothing. Sometimes it is happening that it is taking little bit more time in UGC net website, but then and there it is showing in NTA website. So this is the NTA website. In the NTA website also, always check the latest NTA. So here this is the news they are showing. If you go to this one, that is archive, so this is the last date when they have released on 27th October. This is another exam, because NTA is doing for all the exam, and whenever they are releasing any notice for the UGC NET also, that UGC NET also they are providing. One confusion is going on because there is another test, that is NAT. NAT, that type of another test is there. For that, here it is, see that the admit card for NAT. Actual problem is going on here. It is the NAT admit card released, and students are getting confused with that key. This is actually released NT UGC NET. This is the another exam. This is not the UGC NET exam. Until now, our UGC NET admit card or any subject wise date, nothing released. Only this is the last notification for the exam date. So please don't be confused with the some. I don't know why they are doing like this. So please don't be confused with that. Focus on your study. Try to prepare yourself. Whenever admit card will come, you will get a official email also. They are sending the email also to you, and you will see that here in this website you can get the link for downloading the admit card, and for the date, subject wise date also, the notice will be also published. So please stay tuned with this channel to get the correct information and notification. time to time. Thank you. Bye bye.